These are the resolutions of the parliamentary group meeting. The parliamentary group meeting was resolved that they have endorsed the decision of the National Executive Committee of the party and the Central Committee on the decisions that they have taken in their last 3 sittings. The Executive Director of the party brought them up to speed on the resolutions of those 2 organs of the party, and the parliamentary group endorsed the decisions of the 2 organs of the party. The PG also agreed that they will strengthen the party, and then they will make it vibrant, and they will maintain every parliamentary seat that they occupy today, either in the National Assembly or in the Senate under ODM, and make it more. We want to increase our numbers in the next general election from what we have today, and we are telling any party that we are associating with, any party in this country that wants to associate with us, our parliamentary numbers are not negotiable. We can negotiate on anything, but not on our parliamentary strength. The parliamentary group meeting also endorsed the decision of the NEC to give mandate to our party leader to start the process of negotiation with other parties, with like-minded parties, starting with the UDA party, under the way the Central Committee and the NEC Committee, the NEC Committee approved. The parliamentary group also endorsed the decision to have the National Delegates Conference on 27th of March, 27th of this month, and from Friday, the party will communicate and give the 21-day notice that is required in law. The parliamentary group also agreed to receive the report of the 10-point agenda on Tuesday. Tuesday is which date? Which date is that? The report of the 10-point agenda, is it on 10th? Tuesday is 10th. On 10th, yes, Tuesday, at a broad-based parliamentary group meeting that will be held at KICC on Tuesday, where members from both sides of Kenya Kwanza and ODM will receive the report. Then from there, the public will be told on what progress the report has made, what has been achieved, what has not been achieved. And the parliamentary group emphasized on 2 main issues that they expect to happen. That is the compensation bit of the matter of the 10-point agenda, and the devolution issue, that they want monies increased to the devolved units, and they also want the people who are affected through post-election violence from 2017, that money must be put in the supplementary budget that is in Parliament, I think, from tomorrow. So those are 2 major issues they have emphasized, among other things that contains the 10-point agenda, which they are going to receive on Tuesday the 10th in a broad-based parliamentary group meeting. So I think I've shared with you people in short what the parliamentary group resolved. And I think we can end it there, and we will continue updating you on progress that ODM is making as a party. As you are aware, ODM is the largest party in the region, south of Sahara and north of Limpopo. And we are going to make sure that this party remains united, and we are going to make sure that this party remains the biggest party in this country that will form government in the coming election, God willing. Thank you very much.